We have too many kids in our country right now.
No more tax breaks for billionaires.
Amen to that.
Excuse me, I'm talking.
Let him sprung.
Let me tell my story, you tell yours.
I will.
Let justice roll on like a river. Righteousness like a never-failing stream. The worship of the ancient golden calf has returned. If we take on our full people, we can feel the burn. Feel the burn, feel the burn, we can feel the burn.
There should be no bank too big to fail, and no individual too powerful to jail. We agree on that.
Alright.
We agree on that.
Alright.
Well, it's easy to say, I'm gonna do this and do that, but I have doubts when people receive huge amounts of money.
I never changed in view because of any donation.
Let justice roll on like a river.
Trickle down, trickle, trickle, trickle down.
Righteousness like a huge, huge stream.
Absolutely.
The worship of the ancient golden calf has returned. If we stand with working people, we can feel the burn. Feel the burn, feel the burn, we can feel the burn.
Schmoyoho!
And everyone lived happily ever after. No more death and no more natural disasters. And you can song it by yourself too, if that's something that you'd like to do. Show your voice.
More episodes here, election spoilers here, and click here for a lifetime supply of imaginary Brussels sprouts.
Your exit on the
They taste good if you want them to.